Hi everyone, so today I'm going to make my own birthday cake. I have tried making cake before, like the cream cake, and it was a little messy, but it was cute. It was for my husband, and this is my second time attempting to make a cream cake. So I'm thinking of making a vintage cream cake, and I'm just gonna put a picture of my inspo for the cake, and also the last cake that I baked for my husband. I'm going to put up a picture here, and yeah, that's it. So let's get into making that cake. So I'm thinking of making a cream cake which is like a vintage design, and this is what right now famous. So I'm thinking of making that. I don't know how it will turn out, uh, but I'm gonna try my best, and yeah, I'm going to show you how I make it. Before making the cake, I'm going to just show you my outfit. It is so cute. It has this small pink heart, and it's a cord set. It's like a night suit kind of a thing, but super cute. This is from Westside. If you want to check it out, you can check it out on website.